kindly like, share, and please subscribe our channel. We need your support, so please subscribe our channel. And if you have any question regarding any medicine, do mail us. We will respond you. So please. Is used with a doctor approved exercise, behavior change, and reduced calorie diet program. It is used by certain overweight people, such as those who are obese or have weight related medical problems. Losing weight and keeping it off can lessen the many health risks that come with obesity, including heart disease, diabetes, high blood pressure, and a shorter life. It is not known how this medication helps people to lose weight. It may work by decreasing your appetite, increasing the amount of energy used by your body, or by affecting certain parts of the brain. This medication is an appetite suppressant. How to use? Take this medication by mouth as directed by your doctor, usually once daily, 1 hour before breakfast or 1 to 2 hours after breakfast. If needed, your doctor may adjust your dose to take a small dose 2 to 3 times a day. If you are using sustained release capsules, the dose is usually taken once a day before breakfast or at least 10 to 14 hours before bedtime. If you are using the tablets made to dissolve in the mouth, the dose is usually taken once a day in the morning with or without food. The dose is based on your medical condition and response to treatment. Use this medication regularly to get the most benefit from it. To help you remember, take it at the same time each day. This medication is usually taken for only a few weeks at a time. It should not be taken with other appetite suppressant. If you suddenly stop using this medication, you have withdrawal symptoms. To help prevent withdrawal, your doctor may lower your dose slowly. Withdrawal is more likely if you have used phentermine for a long time or in high doses. Though it may help many people, this medication may sometimes cause addiction. The risk may be higher if you have a substance use disorder. Do not increase your dose, take it more often, or use it for a longer time than prescribed. This medication may stop working well after you have been taking it for a few weeks. Talk with your doctor if this medication stops working well. Side effects: dry mouth, dizziness, difficulty sleeping, irritability, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, and constipation. If any of these effects persist or worsen, tell your doctor or pharmacist promptly. If your doctor has directed you to use this medication, remember that he or she has judged that the benefit to you is greater than the risk of side effects. Many people using this medication do not have serious side effects. This medication may raise your blood pressure. Check your blood pressure regularly and tell your doctor if the results are high. Tell your doctor right away if you have serious side effects including fast, irregular, pounding heartbeat, mental mood changes, uncontrolled muscle movements, and change in sexual ability or interest. Stop taking this medication and seek immediate medical attention if any of these side effects occur, including severe headache, slurred speech, seizure, weakness on one side of the body, and vision changes. This drug may cause serious lung or heart problems. The risk increases with longer use of this medication or use of this drug along with other appetite suppressant drugs. If you notice any of the following side effects, stop using this medication and consult your doctor right away. chest pain, difficulty breathing with exercise, decreased ability to exercise, fainting, swelling of the legs, ankles, and feet. A very serious allergic reaction to this drug is rare. However, get medical help right away if you notice any symptoms of a serious allergic reaction, including rash, itching, swelling, severe dizziness, and trouble breathing. This is not a complete list of possible side effects. If you notice other effects not listed above, contact your pharmacist or doctor. Precautions: before taking phentermine, tell your doctor or pharmacist if you are allergic to it or if you have any other allergies. This product may contain some inactive ingredients which can cause allergic reactions or other problems. Talk to your pharmacist for more details. Before using this medication, tell your doctor or pharmacist your medical history, especially of diabetes, high blood pressure, glaucoma, personal or family history of substance use disorder, heart problems, mental mood problems, high blood pressure in the lungs, stroke, overactive thyroid, kidney disease, and seizure. This drug may make you dizzy, drowsy, or blur your vision. Do not drive, use machinery, or do anything that needs alertness until you can do it safely. Avoid alcoholic beverages. If you have diabetes, check your blood sugar regularly and share the results with your doctor. Before having surgery, tell your doctor or dentist that you are using this medication. If you are using the tablets made to dissolve in the mouth, your medication may contain aspartame. If you have phenylketonuria or any other condition that requires you to avoid aspartame in your diet, ask your doctor about using this medication safely. Kidney functions declines as you grow older. This medication is removed by the kidneys. Therefore, elderly people may be at greater risk for dizziness and high blood pressure while using this drug. This medication must not be used during pregnancy. It may harm an unborn baby. If you are pregnant or think you may be pregnant, tell your doctor right away. This drug may passes into breast milk and could have undesirable effects on a nursing infant. Breastfeeding is not recommended while using this drug. Consult your doctor before breastfeeding.